It's the Youngerthon phenomenon.
More for less every day.
Better prices.
Better service. Better selection.
Save with huge allocations of America's best-selling cars and trucks.
Prices have never been this low.
Younger Toyota Mitsubishi knows you want more than just a car. You have a purpose for your vehicle. Check out this dark gray '09 Toyota Tacoma SR5, equipped with a 6-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission with only 6,291 miles. Enjoy this utility truck with features like keyless entry, driver's side airbag, passenger's front airbag, tilt steering wheel, cruise control, power steering, power brakes, and much more. Get where you need to go, enjoy the drive, and have peace of mind in this '09 Toyota Tacoma SR5. See us at Younger Toyota Mitsubishi today.
Brand new Younger Toyota. More for less every day.